today we're doing one of those fun things that I only do like once a year. I know these are everybody's favorite videos because I just start throwing shit everywhere. If you guys haven't guessed yet, today we are doing collective empties, where I talk about all the shit that I used and I tell you guys if I hated it, if I loved it. I look like a lion right now. First, if I repeat stuff that I said in the last video, I either never threw that shit out or I bought it again. I have a good amount of floor space available for me to throw the things that I don't like. But we're just gonna get into this. So a lot of these things are not makeup items. A lot of them are skincare and products that I have used. Why do I have an accent out of nowhere? Recently, and I just wanted to share them with you guys. Most of the stuff is being channeled more towards better health. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and let's get into it. You know, this thing was like overflowing, and now I just feel like half of the shit fell out. There's like nothing fun in here to talk about. So this is the J. Beverly Hills Ad Body Volumizing Shampoo. This shampoo is great because it actually volumizes my hair. I have really, really thin hair and I've never found anything that I see visible difference, but this is the only shampoo that actually gives my hair like lift. So I like that shit. I haven't bought it again because this is $45. So when like I have the extra money, I'll buy it, but it does smell really good and it takes a while to finish this huge ass thing. Oh, it smells like bananas. It smells so good. That's all. Next, I have my face wash that I have been using for probably closer to the end of a year now. I've been using it for a while, and this is the Nourish Organic Healthy Face Cleanser. It has cucumber and watercress in it. It says that it's approved and good for all skin types. This is certified vegan, certified USDA organic, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and all that good shit, which is why I've been using this. You can find this at your local like organic Whole Foods type store. The reason that I am probably not going to be purchasing another one of these is because the second ingredient is coconut oil, and coconut oil on the comedogenic scale clogs your pores at a 6 to an 8. So I do break out constantly and I never thought about it, but it might be because of the coconut oil. Overall, this is an amazing regular cleanser. I do like it. I have one more left. Baby just bought me one, so I'm going to use that one in conjunction with other things and see if I lessen the use, if that stops my breakouts, or maybe this isn't even why I break out. Next, I got some tampons. Tampons. These are the tampons that I use. They're from Natracare. They're completely organic cotton tampons. They don't have a plastic applicator, so they do have like the cardboard applicator, but I don't really give a shit because I'm not putting chlorine on my vag. That is not good for you guys, and all of the normal name brands for period stuff, pads and tampons, have chlorine and fragrances in them that should not be put inside your body. That area actually absorbs everything, so when they put chlorine inside your tampons, literally your body is just soaking up all of that chlorine and it's very bad for you. So I would switch to a natural brand. I always try to suggest this stuff in these videos because I would love if you guys switch and it's better for you. When I repurchase them, they're in my bathroom. I'm failing. Guys, this is the best soap. Go buy it. It is the Dr. Bronner's Organic Pump Sugar Peppermint Soap. It smells so good. I love it. I love it. Next, I use this shit all the time, which is why there's two of them here. This is the Organics Cherry Blossom Conditioner. I go through these things like crazy. I have one in my shower right now, two right here, and then I have the shampoo here. Cherry Blossom is my favorite scent, so this is the one that I always stick with. I'm not too happy about the ingredients, honestly. I don't like that they call themselves organics, like Organix, when they literally use all chemicals. I think that's kind of shitty, but it smells good. So until I find something that's organic that actually cleans my hair, I will get back to you. Next, I have the only mascara that I buy from the drugstore. Guys, I fucking lied. I literally have 3, and there's a dried up one in here. There's my dried up one and my one I just bought yesterday. Lash Sensational. That's how you get your lashes. I use it in conjunction with the face lotion from Nourish Organic, which I cannot recommend this enough, guys. I really love this face lotion. It is a lightweight moisturizing face lotion with argan and rose water, and it says it's for normal to dry skin. Why did I put this in here if there's still like a little bit left in the cap? This shit is expensive. I cannot be doing that. Anyway, this stuff smells beautiful, and it is the most lightweight moisturizer I've literally ever used in my life. The best thing about it is it's completely organic. There are no chemicals in it. You'll find oils, shea butters, things like that, all things that are great for your skin in here. And this actually helps with my acne. I have an Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. This is my favorite setting spray. As of right now, other than my Glow Mist, that's my favorite mist, because it's actually healthy for you. But this is the strongest hold setting spray that I've ever found. It doesn't come in this packaging anymore. They switched it over to this one. But either way, yeah, I love this stuff. It's expensive as hell. But I would say just go for it and it'll last you a really long time. I have been hunting for like the best organic and natural toothpaste because I don't want fluoride in my toothpaste. And I actually had a really bad reaction a couple years ago where every day my mouth, the inside of my mouth would just be peeling from like Crest and Colgate toothpaste or even Sensodyne toothpaste, because there are foaming agents in there and the whiteners are actually too strong for the inside of our body to handle, and so it actually peels off your skin because it's killing your skin cells. I started out with Dr. Bronner's peppermint toothpaste, which I liked and I thought it was the greatest until I tried the Tom's Fresh Mint toothpaste. I have not been able to find like a natural toothpaste that actually foams like regular toothpaste, but this is so great. Either way, this is the toothpaste that I'm liking right now. It's really good if you guys want to switch over to fluoride free, which please do so. Next, we have the only hand sanitizer that I keep in my purse, which is this. This is the Everyone hand sanitizer spray, peppermint and citrus. There is something about like mint and like lemongrass, or like just those type of scents for me are everything. I mean, everything. But I keep these. Why did I throw these in here if it still has so much left? I am tripping. This shit still disinfects things. Smells great, and it says that it is 99.9% effective. But it's natural, so I'm not putting like a shit ton of chemicals all over my hands, which is what matters to me. That's all. This isn't it. I also have the Benefit Stay Don't Stray shitty, I don't even want to call it an eyeshadow primer because it's not. This is actual shit. It's really expensive. I think it's like $26 for this. I only got to use it twice because it dried out so quickly, and I bought it brand new from Ulta. So I'm not really sure what's good with this thing. Over it. The Thayer's Lemon Witch Hazel Astringent. I always like to use some type of like toner on my face. Witch Hazel is really good for the skin. It tightens your pores and it allows bacteria to not come in because you're closing your pores. So yeah, I liked this one. It was pretty strong and it was almost like it burned my skin if I had a lot of acne, but that's only because it is lemon, so it's a little bit more acidic. I'm currently using a witch hazel that is rose scented, so I think it's from the same brand actually, it's just a different container. We have a Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in here, which I have repurchased. It's been a holy grail for years for me. Next, I have my absolute favorite chapstick of all time, except for my own, that is in production, releasing with Glamonizers soon. But it is the Dr. Bronner's Organic Peppermint Oil Chapstick. One thing that you guys need to know if you have allergies or avoiding certain ingredients, I did not know this until I looked up the ingredients. This actually has cannabis sativa, which is weed. It is the cannabis plant extract that is actually in all of Dr. Bronner's chapsticks from what I've checked. But it is definitely in this one and in their like lemon one. It's in that one too, their lemon lime. So yeah, I mean, I'm not bothered. It's just an oil. It's just extracted from a plant. But just if you guys are like, you don't use things like that, just so you know, that is in this. But yeah, I would repurchase this. This is literally one of my favorite chapsticks ever. But then I realized I think someone totally like stole my collective empties because I've been adding to this pile and it was overflowing and shit. I feel like I'm missing something. Where did all of the empties go that I had? And this video wasn't even funny because I didn't hate anything, so I didn't have to throw shit. Sorry guys. I love you guys. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel. There's a red button that says subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I will put my handle right here. I post lots of random shit, lots of modeling pictures, things like that, so follow me there. Also turn on the notifications by clicking the notification bell down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to smile. I love you guys. Bye.